Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Taurus, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general reading, guys. So that may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you may have about your circumstances, guys, Taurus. So you can stay tuned for that, Taurus. So let's see what are these cards. We have Knight of Sons, Hermit, and Six of Spheres. So, in your situation, guys, Taurus, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who is wise. You have a lot of experience and lot of knowledge. So today you are making some important decisions for yourself, so maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship. So you are thinking, you are someone practical and you are thinking what will work for you. So planning your future and you are waiting for the right chance or waiting to make the right choice today, guys. And maybe for some of you, some kind of a circumstance has unfolded in your life, something that is not clear for you or the way to handle this circumstance. So that may be the reason you are thinking deeply. You don't want to make any rash decisions for yourself, but your circumstance calls for that, calls for immediate action, but you are waiting. You have that attention. You are really attentive about your situation, aware of what is happening today, and you don't want to make any mistakes. So it may be your energy in your career or in your relationship, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have this person helping you out, guys, maybe. So maybe it may be your energy or their energy towards this love. Maybe you are asking for financial help or help in some ways and this person is helping you. And maybe for some of you, they may feel that they are the one in a good position to help you. So maybe they may treat you differently because of this help they are giving you, guys. So if you want to have a straightforward relationship with this person you love, you must not rely on them financially, guys. That is not going to that is going to cause some difficulties in this relationship. So, and in your career situation, guys, maybe there may be circumstances giving you an idea of something positive coming in your future, something lucrative coming, lucrative results maybe. So some promises you may see, but you must analyze that choice or analyze that project or whatever you deal with clarity. So for some of you it may not be a honest return you are seeing, guys. So you need to be really clear if you are making some important decisions in your career situation, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for you all today. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. If this reading resonates and if you like this reading, please like and comment, guys. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have Aura Light. So it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that being really mindful of your present situation. So are you really aware of what is going on in your present situation? Are you being truly attentive to its qualities and patterns? So in your relationship, you need to observe and find out what is working so you can build this relationship on that, or what is not working so you can address that, make some changes to that. So being present in your relationship, being truly aware and paying attention, observing without judgment, and just watching what is happening instead of spinning a story of what should have been or what it ought to be. So instead of saying something after that, you should be present, be aware, keep your eyes open, and that way you will be able to deepen your love and make this connection a better one. So your ability to be present, that is what is going to help you. And you have many distractions. That may be the reason we have this card, guys. So something is distracting away, taking your attention away from this relationship. But if you are attentive today, you will make this relationship a positive, meaningful relationship. That is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is a reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is Fork in the Road. So with this card, it just means that you are making some important decisions today. So whether you are going right or left in this relationship, and deciding on a particular choice, and be prepared for all that consequences you face with that choice today, guys. So in your relationship, you have reached a moment of truth. So will you move towards a possibility of a deeper love, maybe with open communication, with truth and honesty and trust involved, going deeper with that other person, or just walk away? So this is the time to take responsibility for your truest desires of your heart, what you honestly feel within yourself about your love, and what you are willing to do for this connection, guys. So there is no wrong choice here, guys. It is just the way you are moving based on the truth of your heart. So if you want this love, you are going to deepen this love. But if it is something other than love, you are going towards that. So all roads will lead to the lessons you need to learn in this relationship, guys. So regardless of the decision you are making, it will place you on the path that will give you the truest experience of your heart. So if you like this person, you are going to deepen this love. If not, you are going to move away. But your choice is nothing wrong, but the choices based on truth of your heart, that is going to make the difference here, guys. So for those who chose this card, you should make true choices. That is what this card is about, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.